Are you having trouble increasing your income as a nail tech? Here are 6 ways you can increase your revenue as a nail tech in 2024. Number 1, perfect your craft. You need to perfect the shaping. You need to perfect the longevity of the nails, making sure they last. And you need to make sure that your designs are on point. So if you are able to perfect your craft in that sense, you are obviously going to make the most money. Who is going to not want to come to you? Instead of going to those chop shops where they really don't care about what the client is asking for and they literally just do the most basic stuff, and sometimes they don't even last and they damage your nails. So if you can really perfect your craft, there is no way people will not be wanting to line up and come to you. You're going to stand out of everybody else. Number 2, promote on social media. When you upload all your images on Instagram or a video on TikTok, or you promote your work on YouTube, then people are gonna find you a lot easier. For instance, Instagram, right? And on Instagram, you can upload all your images of all the work that you do. And so now you have concrete evidence that you know what you're doing. You have concrete evidence for the client to find you, find exactly what they're looking for with their eyes, because we're human and we, obviously see with our eyes, but we are very visual creatures. So if they go on to this Instagram app, they're gonna say, oh my gosh, this person knows what they're doing. The nails are so beautiful. They can zoom in, they can look at your work, they can see how diverse you are with all your art and your shaping. And they're going to find it so much easier to book with you because they're going to feel so much more confident because they see you on social media. And how I do YouTube, right? So I feel like people, when they know you're on social media, they feel more comfortable coming to you because you have an online presence. So everybody knows who you are. So they're less likely to be scared to make the appointment with you because you're going to feel more connected to you. So yeah, YouTube is great for connection and showing your work. Instagram for your portfolio and also staying in connection with people, and TikTok as well. All these platforms really help you. Even Facebook, if you use it. I really don't use that, but go ahead if it works for you. But all of this is going to help you because if you think about it, the internet is huge. It's a limitless way of finding clientele, and people that you find are going to start, telling everybody about you with their words, with their mouth, word of mouth. And that's just a great catalyst to get your business going. Social media. Number 3, wear your nails. Everywhere you go, don't forget to wear your nails and show what you can do. Show them the art. You'll be more likely to get attention. And people always ask, oh my gosh, your nails are so old. They say, oh my gosh, your nails are so cute. Who did them? So go ahead, show your work on yourself, practice, get good at doing your own nails. Number 4, create a nice atmosphere. Obviously, when you're nice, everybody's gonna like you more. People are gonna feel more comfortable to be around your space. And people are always gonna feel welcome, and they're always gonna feel more confident to come to you all the time because they're gonna feel more secure. Be nice, it really pays off. I also like to do hot towels and give them a little goodie bag with treats. They can take their hand, file on their buffer, and it makes them feel a lot better when they leave. They really do appreciate it. Number 5, use quality products, guys. A good drill, very important, so you're not hurting your client with those cheap drills. Decent lamps, and get a good diversity of powders, colors, and gels. Little by little, start collecting all of that. Also, be clean, use clean implements, and also market that to your clientele. They'll really appreciate the cleanliness. Number 6, increase your prices. This one's really going to increase your revenue. I do this every year where I pay myself a little bit more of money, little increments. So this year I gave myself a $10 raise for each set. So it really helped make more money. I couldn't believe the first week that I was like, dang, I only increased it by $10 and already I started making more money. And obviously they give you more tips because of it. So just make sure that you're perfecting your craft so that you can increase your prices. If not, there's no point in increasing your prices. That would kind of be ridiculous. Show the value of your skills and show the value of your nails. Trust me, people love value nowadays. It's 2024. People want what is the best, not what is the cheapest anymore. If people want the cheapest, they can go to the chop shop. So you can see these are little ways you can implement to increase your revenue. I hope all these tips help you guys. And until next time, let me know if I forgot any in the comments down below. Bye.